Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm here to talk to you about a flower trend that I think will happen very soon. And that is the return of calla lilies. Yes, I love calla lilies. That was my flower that I used in my wedding. I carried just a simple bouquet of 30 mini calla lilies, and my girls carried, I think, 5 long stems. I felt like it's so elegant and simple. So the reason why I think this trend is coming back is because I have about 5 girls this year who will be using that flower in their wedding. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it's coming back. I had predicted back in 2000 that baby's breath was coming back. I did a style shoot back then all of a sudden everybody's using baby's breath. So I'm thinking some of the great ways to use calla lily is doing simple small bouquets of calla lilies, hand tied, long stem calla lilies ladies can carry, very contemporary arrangements with just stems of calla lily overflowing out of vases, or even with one of the popular trends where people are using that single rose in a bud vase. Why not use a single calla lily in a bud vase? I think that would be so pretty. So this is one of my predictions that will catch like fire. So be on top of this, look around, see some interesting pictures of calla lilies and centerpieces, arrangements, even arches. I was trying to think of some unique ways of creating arches with the calla lily. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below on what you think a trend will be for 2024 or coming up 2025. Or even if you're a bride and you're watching this video, tell me what flower you plan to use as your focal flower for your wedding. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.